Today I'm going to show you Agni Sara. It's a breathing technique that Patanjali, who is the first person to write down the path to yoga meditation in a complete work, kind of like the Bible of yoga. Patanjali recommended that if you were to do any one posture in yoga every single day of your life, it would be this. So considering that, I think it's pretty important. It involves also the Mula Bandha and the Jalandhara Bandha, and you do it standing. You can also do it laying down, so maybe I'll go over that tomorrow. And I'm just going to take this off so that you can see. This is a really good exercise for clearing out your internal organs, flushing them out, so you're sending deep breaths to your abdomen, to your solar plexus. It's a really good cleansing, strong breath. So let's begin. You would stand feet shoulder width apart, just like you have learned in Tadasana. Reach your arms up and overhead, just to take a nice big inhale in Urdhva Hastasana, and then hinging at the hips, contracting your core, bend forward. Bend your knees deeply, place your fingers in towards your center line of your body. And I'm going to walk you through it first, and then I'm going to do it one time without talking so you can just watch. So you take a deep inhale and arch your back, look up, and you exhale fully, tucking your spine under you and rounding in your upper spine. So this is one huge exhale, exhaling all the air out. Then you lock Mula Bandha, so squeeze your perineal center. And you also engage Jalandhara Bandha and hold your breath. So you close your lips, hold your breath there. And you can see how your stomach becomes concave. So the force of exhaling all that air out, holding your breath, and then pulling it, using that counter motion, kind of as if you were going to inhale, your body kind of sucks your ribs and your low core back into your spine, so your belly becomes concave, and this is the motion that's really flushing everything out. Then you're holding that, and you're engaging Jalandhara Bandha, so you're pressing, sinking down in your seat, pressing through your palms, and really pushing your shoulders up by your ears, tucking your chin back and your neck back, still engaging Mula Bandha, and you're holding this full exhale as long as you can without strain until you can't hold it any longer, and then you release Mula Bandha, release Jalandhara Bandha, and allow your body to inhale fully, exhale, and just take a few normalizing, stabilizing breaths just naturally. Then begin again. So again, it's a deep inhale, arching your spine, looking up. Deep exhale, fully tucking the tail, rounding the upper spine, holding the exhale out here, engaging Mula and Jalandhara Bandhas, pulling it back, pulling that Jalandhara Bandha in, chin back, shoulders to ears, really sinking your neck down, really locking off that throat while you have Mula Bandha locking off your root lock. So it's like you're shutting off your air and you're locking in all the prana from your throat to your root. And it's pushing all of this air back and massaging all of your internal organs figuratively. And then when you need to release, when you can't hold any longer, you release Mula and Jalandhara Bandhas, and then let the air flow naturally. So there'll be an inhale that you take, and then an exhale. try it again. So I'm just going to do it once. Hi! I'm going to do it once so you can see what it will visually look like without me talking. And then once your breath is stabilized, you'll do it another time. And then you can just come up back to Tadasana, feeling any sensations, acknowledging them, not judging them, just breathing into them, sending breath wherever you feel a restriction. So give that a whirl. Try it 3 times on your own. Have you done your bug? You can also try that today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with a reclined version of Agni Sara. So get to work. Hey Dwayne, thanks for watching. Hey Lisa. Hey Maddie. So cool. I'm trying to wave at you, Maddie. There we go. Have a great night, guys. Have a great morning. See you tomorrow.